Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt pie updated. Begin by pressing your crust evenly into a pan and chilling it for at least 15 minutes. Mix yogurt, sweetener, and stabilizer until smooth, then fold in flavorings and fruit gently. Pour into crust, smooth the top, then refrigerate until firm. Serve chilled with fresh fruit or a light dusting of zest for brightness and balance. Gather your ingredients clearly on the counter so you can work quickly and confidently. Measure yogurt and sweetener precisely, and zest citrus directly over the bowl to capture oils. If using gelatin or a plant-based thickener, bloom it as directed to avoid lumps. Have chilled crust ready so you can pour immediately for a smooth finish. Keeping toppings prepped makes assembly quick when the filling is ready. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, as it really helps the channel grow and keep new recipes coming. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after grocery runs or pie deliveries. It always makes me smile when driving home with a dessert. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the pie gently to preserve airiness while avoiding overmixing, which can make the filling dense. Level the top for an attractive presentation and cover loosely to prevent odors from other foods. Chill long enough for the filling to firm up, then check edges for a clean set. When ready, add fruit or crunch so textures contrast nicely. Slice with a hot knife for neat portions and wipe between cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.